Jewelers. Is he open all 24 hours? You go and give the biscuit to him. Is he going to give you the full money? He will deduct something. Gold or anything, any asset, it's an asset class. If a painting which you buy, if there is a store value, it's an asset. The equity is a store value. The real estate has a store value. The debt is at a store value. So अगर store value किसी चीज में नहीं है, तो वो asset नहीं है. Store value का मतलब आज जो value है बढ़ेगा. उसी आशा के संग हम लोग उसे रखते हैं, थोड़ा कम थोड़ा ज्यादा. तो जिसकी store value सबसे ज्यादा बढ़े, हमें वहाँ निवेश करना है. That's the asset allocation. और remaining in all asset classes is the asset allocation. So store value, answers को easy समझना और clients को easy तरीके से बताना is more important. Our work here is not to keep the things as complicated as they are in the books of economics. हमारा कार्य एक ही है, उन चीजों को simple, सरल. We will be playing this game. One more, मैंने बोला था slide नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा एक slide नहीं है, वैसे बिना slide के भी बता सकता हूँ. 4 stages होते हैं wealth के. पहला stage क्या है? Identify करना कि आप क्या बिजनेस करोगे. जैसे पानी का बिजनेस करना है या म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का बिजनेस करना है, तो अब उस बिजनेस में उस चीज के लिए क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए वो करना है. हर बिजनेस में यही करता है, यस और नो. दूसरी चीज क्या, सर्विसेज व्हिच आई एम क्रिएटिंग, द वर्क व्हिच आई एम डूइंग, म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, इज दैट द बेस्ट और नॉट? कैन इट बी कंपेयर्ड विद अदर्स? व्हाट इज, आप ये व्यवसाय कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या सॉल्व कर रहे हैं? माइक विल गो अराउंड. Achieve करने के लिए. Okay, so you help a client in achieving the financial goals. Perfect. Absolutely correct answer. But there can be more, ना? See, जो व्यक्ति जितनी ज्यादा, जितनी बड़ी problem solve करता है, and you problem solved and you are making money. Yes or no? So what is that problem which you are solving, which clients are looking forward to? Based on the inflation, and you try to get your clients' return a little better than the inflation. मैनेज करते हो, बस वही बहुत बढ़िया है. मैं सिर्फ यही काम करता हूँ सर, आप करते हैं. एनीवन एल्स? तो प्रॉब्लम्स तो सॉल्व करनी होगी हमें सबको. कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है.
ह्यूमन पीपल.
हाँ, ऐसा ही कहा. So see, there can be many answers. Okay, any but problem can be one.
The problem with the people is they have money, but they do not know where to invest, how to go about investment, how to fight inflation. That's one thing what he said. But then overall managing the funds of theirs is what we do. Yeah, for that is what we are here.
So managing funds, हर चीज हो सकता है. But why? What is that convincing about? तो problem, some और problem ये सॉल्व करता हूँ कि सर मैं आपका विश्वास जीतूंगा. तो बोला ले जीत. फिर आपकी पूरी जिंदगी निकल गई. ऐसे जोकिंग. बट हम लोग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि I am a part of solutions and expert only on retirement. So there are a lot of people in US especially who are only retirement planning specialists. If you have a retirement fund, they will manage. Rest putta you do it on your own. You don't need anyone actually, because you know ना बिटिया की शादी है, इतना गोल है, इतनी पढ़ाई है, सब अपने आप कर लोगे. Some people are only child care solve कर सकते हैं.
Estate planning and succession planning.
Yeah, estate planning करते हैं, wills बनाते हैं. Sir, I special से toothbrush करते हैं, फिर we have some biscuits, Britannia biscuits. So throughout the day we are consuming something, yes or no? And each and everything which we are consuming is probably on a listed company. And sometimes people says मेरा दूर दूर तक कोई रिश्ता नाता नहीं है equity market से. Please don't talk about equity. Still you get some people like that?
Yes.
I am not. Why I said, sir, you are connected. Sir, morning Airtel. And then toothbrush. Sir, all you are connected with equity market, sir. Even if you don't say that, but it's not. The same way we all are also connected with international equity markets. Okay. What is the phone which you are using? Where are they? Are they listed somewhere? But are you invested? So if you are not invested and if you are only making an expenditure out of it, it's a way international banks. Morning we wake up, we see this SMS on our phone as if somebody was writing SMS to us over the line. कोई नहीं लिख रहा होता है. अब देखते हैं. Now मेरे ऑफिस पहुंच गए. HP, MacBook, ये सब होते हैं. ये तो हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है. But somebody else is making money out of it. We think that I think this is such a useful thing, but actually somebody else is making money out of it. The idea is we keep on incurring expenses. Continue to use not only Indian brands but also international brands. People pay 2.5 lakh rupees per month for license to toll terminal. All the agencies have this at their offices. We buy Indian brands, but through Amazon. Amazon is getting that cut. And it is natural. We are using it. The Indian movies which we watch, but we watch it on. And we pay them. Every month from your card it is getting. But that's also part of everyone's thing. And finally you switch on the AC, relax, some or other international brand is there. So this is all about the expenses which we are doing. So enough of these expenses. Think you have invested into these companies. So if you have invested, you are getting return. वो कहते हैं ना स्वदेशी बनो ये बनो, मैं कहता हूँ वो सब ठीक बात है. ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, are they Indian companies now? No. 74%, 84% is now with FIIs. So 50-50 company. अरे भाई उसको निफ्टी नहीं मालूम, 50 कंपनी कैसे मालूम? सरलता ही हमारे जीवन का लक्ष्य होना चाहिए. इसलिए जितनी सरलता से आप बताएंगे क्लाइंट्स को, क्लाइंट्स आपके संग उतने ही ज्यादा प्रेरित होकर रहेंगे. निफ्टी इंडिकेटर ऑफ मार्केट, विच मार्केट? ओके,
Indian equity 50, gold 10, international equity 30%.
Please pass the mic to team.
10.
International. Indian equity and international equity. And the lowest equity exposure is for Rockstar, which is 50%. I think that's the lowest. Okay. So unique. Why have you contributed so much into equity? What do you think? What makes you do that? They are more. But international also are equally strong.